Hi, everybody, and welcome to Thursday's distance learning lesson. Thanks again for all your hard work this week so far. It's been great to see you guys working so hard on things like vocab and the new Ela website and some creative writing yesterday. I have loved seeing your work and I'm so proud of the effort you're putting in. So thank you so much for that. Want to let you know, if you aren't aware already, that there is no school tomorrow. Teachers have a grading day because it is now the end of Q3, and so you will not have any new assignments posted on your classrooms tomorrow. That would make a great opportunity, since you'll have some extra time, to finish any work from this week that isn't done before it is due and graded on Saturday at noon. And I've made this handy dandy checklist, which I've linked in your assignment, that has all of the week's assignments listed here with instructions, so you can check them off your list as efficiently as possible and make sure that everything is turned in by Saturday for the end of the quarter. For today, you have two tasks. You obviously have the question of the day, and you guys continue to crack me up with your answers to those. And then you have your second speaking practice assignment on Flipgrid. So you will go to flipgrid.com and you will enter the class code depending on which class you're in. I've put the class codes down here, and the instructions are on Flipgrid. So let's head over there. When you get to your Flipgrid page, you'll see that there is a new topic, speaking practice number 2, and you'll click on that. The instructions are right here, and it tells you to watch this video on the left. And I chose this. There was kind of a theme of our assignments this week. We first read about the penguins who were let loose in the Empty Shed Aquarium in Chicago. Then you guys wrote a creative story about someone who found themselves in an empty place. And so I thought it'd be cool to have our video this week kind of match that theme. And I have loved this video for a long time. It's of a dancer called Lil Buck, and he's at a beautiful art museum in France. And he's dancing in an empty museum. And it's really, really a cool video. So you'll watch the video here, and then you will find the document called Video Questions, and there's some explanation and instructions here, and then you will prepare your answers to these 6 questions. And like with last week, you are strongly, strongly encouraged to write down your answers beforehand. I could really tell a difference between the students who had written their answers beforehand and those who hadn't. And the ones who had written even just some kind of rough notes down were much more prepared to deliver a smooth and easy to listen to speech than those who were just kind of coming up with their answers on the spot. It was a lot choppier, and you're going for smooth. So you can either make a copy of this Google Doc by going to File, Make a Copy, and then you could edit that copy and just type your answers in here. Or you could do what I saw a lot of you doing, which is just to get a scrap piece of paper or a page of a notebook and jot down some written answers by hand. You'll tell me what's going on in the video, who is Lil Buck, how would you describe his movements in the video, and I've given you some ideas for words you could use to describe his movement, which is really unique and beautiful. Then you will, where am I? Then you will, over here, have to think of a simile that you would use to describe Lil Buck's movements. So you'll think of an animal or something in nature or some other thing that you think he moves like, and you'll say he moves like a blank. Then you're going to go back to the video and watch from 2 minutes and 30 seconds in for about 35 seconds to the 3 minute and 5 second mark. And I'd like you to tell me what emotion or story does Lil Buck seem to be expressing in that section of his dance. And finally, you're going to end on a personal note. He's dancing in an empty art museum. What is a place that you would like to explore alone, and why? Once you've planned out, I'm going to add that question why. Once you have planned out what you're going to say, it is time to record your Flipgrid. You will go to the video, record a response with the big green plus sign, and you're all set. Again, you don't need to turn in any written notes, but it is strongly encouraged that you take them. Hope that you guys have fun with this video, and if you have any questions, as always, please email me at sally.larkins@mpls. It's linked right here. I look forward to hearing from you, and I can't wait to answer your questions and see what you come up with for these videos. And I hope that you guys have a great long weekend, and I look forward to seeing you back here again on Monday. Bye-bye.